You wish to have multiple independent areas that you can write on a whiteboard. First, open the Whiteboard app. Press the three dots in the lower left-hand corner, go to Canvas, and turn on Split Mode. Split Mode gives you multiple areas where students can write independently and then erase without erasing the other half of the board. Pressing the three dots in the top left-hand corner allows you to enter a three-way split mode. It will give you three independent areas where you can change colors, and erase just as before. To exit split mode, press the three dots in the top corner and choose Exit to leave. Please note, in split mode, you can only write on a whiteboard. You cannot import in PDFs, images, or slides.